Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to sign out of Realboxing 2 on your iOS device. So let's jump right in without further ado. Open your Realboxing 2 application on your preferred device. Here I've opened up Realboxing 2 on my iPhone. Once you end up in this main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top left hand corner. Now, at the bottom right, you should be able to see a sign out option. If you've signed in with your Apple ID, tap on sign out of Apple at the bottom right, and that should log you out or sign you out of Realboxing 2. That is how you should be able to sign out of Realboxing 2 on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.